Hello everyone! For today's artwork, you only need 3 popsicle sticks, and we've been going over transportation, ways to get to one place to another. And today we're going to make an airplane with only 3 popsicle sticks. We're going to have our students paint them with their paint, and then we're going to glue them. It's supposed to look like this. The smallest popsicle stick is the tail. Yeah, you can dip your finger in and you can paint your popsicle sticks. So, Rosalind already started. Marley started. What color did you pick? Green. Excellent choice. What colors did you pick, Simon?
Blue.
Blue. What about you, Rosie?
I picked blue.
All of them? Green?
Both of them, but I can't pick the letters again.
You want to try coloring on this one too? Painting on it? They're using their fingers to paint the popsicle sticks. Of course, and if you don't want to get that messy, you can use a brush. For today's art activity, we're going to use a car and paint. You can use any toy, any car toy, and we're going to stamp. So we're going to roll the wheels in the paint.
Okay.
And then we're going to have the car roll on the paper. Here, Simon, you try it. So Simon's going to try it. He's going to roll the car in the paint.